how to add or remove card on Temu. So if you want to add or remove card on your Temu, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Temu application, or you can also go with your browser and then log into your Temu. After logging into your Temu, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. From your profile, you need to go with settings. Under settings, you will have your payment methods. You need to tap on your payment method and then tap on add a credit or debit card. And after that, you need to enter the card number, the expiry date and CVV number and your billing address. And after entering all of the information, you need to go with add your card, which is on the bottom, and your card will be added. Or if you want to remove a card, then you just need simply first make sure that you've added a card, and then under your payment methods you will have your card that you've just added, and you'll be able to remove the card by tapping on remove, which will be on the right side. You will have edit option on the right side. You can tap on edit at first, and then you'll have the remove option or delete card option on the bottom of your screen. You need to go and delete it. That's how you can add or remove card on Temu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.